everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's still snowing in BC. It turned to rain, but you never know what happens. So I hope everybody's staying safe. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. And congratulations to Dorothy in the UK. She won my giveaway, so that's on its way. It should be about 6 to 10 days approximately, so enjoy, and thanks again for entering my giveaway. I appreciate it. Alright, so I have an unboxing today, what I got for my birthday from my husband, Ted. So let's go ahead and see what he ordered for me. Okay, came in a envelope like this. Got my blade. So let's go ahead and unbag, I guess, instead of unboxing. Alright, so let's see what he got me here. Alright, what do you get? Alright, I got a magazine, Chatelaine. So that was nice. I'll be looking at this. Alright, because I like magazines. And let's see what else. Okay, this is the information. Alright, this is the receipt. Alright, oh, it's a box. Well, that's always good. Alright, let's check it out here. Let's go ahead and unbox the box. Ooh, these are nice. These are 18 karat hoop earrings from the home shopping channel. Basically, in the States, they call it HSN, but in Canada, they call it the shopping channel. So these are from Italy. So I'll be looking forward to wearing these. Yeah, these are really nice. They're thicker than they look, and they're 18 karat gold hoops. All right. Well, thanks a lot for my birthday gift.
Light, thin, aren't they?
Yeah, they're not going to be thick.
No. Huh.
So thanks for my birthday gift. And that's all that I have for today. So I'll be putting together some more videos later on this week, so look forward to another Character Warehouse haul, and you never know what I come up with. All right.
Thanks, Teddy.
Thanks, Teddy.
Yeah, right.
Gotta love them. Alrighty, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.